Hi, I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and I want to show you how to save and organize emails in eWay-CRM online. eWay-CRM is a CRM that lives right inside your Outlook. It's an add-in that helps you keep your communications organized by contacts, companies, deals, or projects. It's great when you want to order your inbox, but works even better when used in a team. It allows your staff to easily see the complete chronological history of communications with a customer throughout the entire team, without forwarding or putting anything or anybody on CC. It's amazing. We have a plugin for the classic Outlook for Windows and another one that works inside any Outlook that's bundled with Microsoft 365. That's the plugin I'm going to show today. I am working with Outlook Online, but what I'm going to show you is pretty much the same no matter what Outlook you are using. Let's dive in. When you select an email, eWay-CRM Online shows you everything about the person in the right panel. If you don't see it, click here and press Preview Panel. Make sure you'll pin it so it stays active. James Harding, one of our clients. What do we have here? Works for Bolton and Bell Incorporated. His phone and email. Let me extend the fields to get the rest. High priority and managed by my colleague Linda. I want to make sure I'll do a great job. So what's going on? Hub shows me the complete chronological history. Linda was in touch with him on Wednesday. Let's click this small arrow to get the complete message. Seems that it's not relevant to this request. What about the call on last Monday? Says that he will submit a new order. And Linda's task for today about making sure he did. Well, Linda, I got James' request. I can simply forward it to you, but not if we use eWay. I'll do it the right way. With a few clicks, I can assign it to the contact in deal, categorize it, and make it available to my whole team. Let me save it to eWay-CRM first. eWay will automatically link the email with James and his company. It also suggests all deals and projects I could possibly want to link the email to. This one seems related. I will also select the category Inquiry. That's the category we use in my team to identify all sales-related emails. If it was about a bill or a claim, I would choose a different one. And here we are. I can save it. What do I do to let Linda know the email is in eWay-CRM? Let me create a task. eWay-CRM has this button Convert to where you can select from many options. I will go with Tasks. Let me change the subject. Set Linda as the solver. And set the due date. Wait, Linda already has a task, and I don't want to mess up her to-do list. I'll use Teams instead. Let's close this one. And I will click the Teams button. If you do that, eWay will ask you who you want to chat with. Linda is already filled in because she's the contact owner. eWay will automatically put a hyperlink for James into the message. Linda just needs one click to open the record. Hey Linda, James has just sent me the request you are waiting for. It's in eWay-CRM. And we are done. eWay-CRM keeps us organized. All emails are now saved by contacts, companies, deals, and projects. If I open Bolton and Bell Inc., it's there. See? The same if I open the deal. I can quickly see the nature of all saved emails. There can be inquiries, delivery, but also billing and claims. Everything is right at our fingertips. One final tip. Since eWay-CRM sits right inside your Outlook, you can quickly open a module at any time. Let me show you. If I want a list of contacts, I'll just click here and select Contacts. See? If I want to open my to-do list, let's do it again and select tasks instead. Nice. What do you think? I don't need to switch back and forth. eWay-CRM truly sits inside your Outlook. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.